Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Jupyter on RACAM. That's an UPPMAX computer cluster called RACAM, and we're going to use ThinLink for it, so that's a remote desktop environment. First thing is log into RACAM. So I've googled already for RACAM computer cluster ThinLink. You get this URL, and that's what you need to go to. Put in your UPPMAX username, type in your UPPMAX password, and use your UPPMAX two-factor authentication number. So this is something new. Add it at the end, and you're in. So let's take a look what we need to do more. So just taking a look at this course documentation, we need to start an interactive job. So it's more or less this. I'm going to put this at the left hand of the screen. So I'm going to copy paste this, and because it's ThinLink, I'm just going to type it there. So we have at the left, we have what I'm going to type. At the right, we have our ThinLink environment. This is on RACAM. We need to start an interactive job. So let's do that. Interactive. You see me type here at the bottom right. This is the terminal on UPPMAX. Interactive, capital A, project number, NAISS 2023 22914, and we're going to use this for 1 hour. So this is to start an interactive job. Capital A, NAISS, that's a project number. -T is the time I want to be running this. So I'm starting this interactive job because I'm on the login node now. I don't want people to bother to be. It's a shared login node, so I want to have my own node, so I don't bother other people with cluttering up their working memory. So this means it will now be looking for a new node. It will request a node to run for 1 hour, and then I can do there everything I want. So it takes a bit of time to get started, but that's all okay. It should not take longer than a minute. So there we have our login node, and a worker node, this is called, and the worker node is called R483. So worker 483. R, I don't know what the R means, probably RACAM 483. RACAM 483. So that's the node the worker node we're running on now. But this is our own, so we can do whatever we want with this. Alright, let's do a module load Python. I'm gonna load the regular Python, and then we're gonna start Jupyter notebook --IP 0000 no browser. Run it, and this starts Jupyter, the Jupyter notebook. Well, then you need to copy paste this URL, so it gives you 3. I'm gonna copy paste the top one. Copy link address. I'm gonna start a browser, and then I'm gonna delete this URL. I'm gonna paste this URL I got. I press enter, and here I have my Jupyter notebook. It's starting up, but you already see the logo, and here we can run our Python calculations. I don't have a Jupyter notebook here, but I got it running. So this is how you run Jupyter notebooks on RACAM using ThinLink. I wish you a very good day. Bye.